Hi there, I'm Lesley. I'm thrilled to be a part of this amazing team at Trucks For You. With years of experience in the industry, we are passionate about connecting drivers with opportunities for them to achieve true ownership.
I'm Laura, and I could not agree more. Here at Trucks For You, we believe that the drivers are the backbone of the industry, and we're here to ensure that you find success.
I'm Lesley. I'm a recruiter with Trucks For You.
Hola, soy Laura de Trucks For You.
Today we are talking about some of the features that our trucks have that drivers like most.
Hoy estaremos hablando de algunas cosas, I don't know how you say features in Spanish.
Things.
Oh, algunas de las cosas que les gustan a los choferes que traigan su camión.
Number 1.
Número 1.
Refrigerators.
Refrigeradores.
Yes, all of our trucks have refrigerators.
Todos nuestros camiones vienen equipados con refrigeradores.
Number 2.
Número 2.
Inverters.
I don't know what's inverter in Spanish.
Inverteros.
What's inverter?
I don't. It's like a.
Yeah, I know, but how do you say it in Spanish?
Oh, I know. Inverterio. I don't know. Inverter. All of our trucks have inverters.
All of our trucks have that. Oh, perdón. Todos nuestros camiones traen in inverters.
And the drivers like that because they can plug in microwaves.
Nuestros choferes les gusta que traigan esto para que puedan conectar sus microondas.
Crockpots.
Sus crockpots.
Sleep apnea machines.
Máquinas para dormir. No sé.
Number 3.
Número 3.
Tires.
Llantas.
This was a funny one to pick to do.
God.
Number 3.
Número 3.
EPUs. EPUs. EPU.
Man, I don't know how. No sé cómo decir eso en español, okay?
To translate.
We did.
The EPU is basically a battery-operated tri-pack. Instead of diesel. Operato.
Oh, gosh. Okay. Un EPU. Es lo mismo que un APU, pero solamente que funcionan con baterías.
Perfect. Steering wheel.
Volante.
Ah, boom! Okay, but that's about it.
Es todo.
What's that? Windshield?
Parabrisas. Thanks for watching.
Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment.
And remember that your dream career is just one click away.
Let's hit the road together. Drive TFY.